Mathias Arup from Sweden, another notch in the 300 gun. How many perfect games have you had in your life now?
I think this is the 12th.
So 12 strikes in a row and 12 perfect games in a row.
Yeah.
But the lanes in Barcelona are pretty kind to you anyway.
Yeah, it often is. I like to play here and I enjoy it here.
And how was it today moving from pair to pair? You ended up second to Chris Loschetter with 14.
I had 14-14. Switching pair is always difficult here because the pins aren't that funny, always the set on the rack. And it was pretty hard sometimes. But I did okay.
What was the high game apart from the 300?
289. I started 289 with really good carry, and then I switched pair and had some struggling 2-0 and then 300. So it helps to have 589 in 2 games.
It certainly does. That's more than I can get in 3 games. Or 4 games maybe. But you came second. You're disappointed that you didn't win the squad?
No, not at all. No, not at all.
Well, you'll be bowling again, I presume.
Yeah, tomorrow.
So good luck, and hope to see you in the